Hello guys, what's up and welcome to the new tutorial from the Mastering SketchUp from the SketchUpArchStudio. In this tutorial we will talk about new updates and features in SketchUp 2023.1 and some special tips for the beginners. Let's get to work. First of all, if you don't know how you can use some type of options like the rectangle, circle, line or drawing tools, you need to click on the view toolbar, and right now you have lots of plugins and many type of toolbars for yourself. For example, if you are a beginner, you can check out the getting started, and it helps you to manage all of your drawing tools and removing tools at the same place. For example, if you want to draw some line, you can choose this pen in here or this pencil at the left side. Don't have any changes between both of them, so I prefer to use line in here, and we have three coordinates: green, red and blue. If you want to draw your line on the blue axis, you can left click and your first line draw it for you, and after that in the green axis you can do this job again and again. Very simple. With lines we create faces at the second. So if you want to manage your volume and you want to extrude it, you need to click on the extrude option at the upside or push or pull option in SketchUp. So I'm going to click on the push or pull option and I can extrude my face very simple and easy like that. And now I have some simple wall in here. Sometimes you need to take some multiple copies in SketchUp, but you don't know how. So first of all, you need to draw some box from the right side to the left side, and you can select your job. And if you press move in here and press Ctrl on your keyboard, the plus icon will be appear in your cursor. And if you want to create some copy, you can move it on your favorite axis, for example, red axis or green axis or blue axis. It completely depends on you. For example, I want to take some multiple copies on red axis. So I'm going to press left click on my cursor and now I have one copy of it. I don't type anything at the right side bottom called the stance box, but if I type 8 for example and X on my keyboard and press enter, now I have 7 multiple copies of my object. So it works very simple and easy, and you can do this job like this. So if you want to remove all of your drawings, you need to press Ctrl A and press delete, and all of them will be deleted for you. Another tool we want to talk about it is the offset. If you are a beginner, you will create many type of covers for your windows, doors, or your objects. So you need to use offset. I'm going to click on the rectangle, draw some simple rectangle in here, and click on the offset tool at the upside. So I'm going to click on the offset tool, and now I can re-click on my face and manage my offset distance from it. For example, I want some offset in the 10 centimeter or 0.1 meter. I can type 0.1 and press enter. Very simple and easy. After that, if you want to extrude it, you can click on the push or pull and move it like that. So let's get to try all of these tools in modeling some type of simple objects. So I'm going to select all of it, press delete, and now I'm going to click on the rectangle. I want to model some type of table. So I only want to model half of it. So I will draw some rectangle with some dimension about 1 meter to 1 meter. And I'm gonna press push or pull, press Ctrl to re-extrude my faces like that, and type 0.04, it means 4 centimeter. And this is my thickness of the table. I'm gonna click on it, convert it to the group, and I'm gonna click on the rectangle another time and draw another rectangle as my table holders. 0.4, 0.0.4, and it's good. So I will click on it, convert it to the component, and press create. move it to this part of my job and take another copy in here. Now I can select both of them, move them at the same distance, about 0.1, and now I will select each of them very personally, like that, and move them about 10 centimeters to the left side and right side. Now both of them is the components, and if I click on one of them and extrude, all of them will be extruded at the same time. So the difference between the component and group is that. So I'm going to type 0.74, and now I want to show you one of the best new features in SketchUp 2023.1. So it's about the flip or mirror option. So I'm going to click all of them, convert them to the group in here. And now if I click on these option called flip in the large toolset, or in the getting started after scale option, you have flip option. You can click on the flip, and now you have three phased coordinates in here, red, green, and blue. So I will flip and mirror it on the blue face. So I'm going to click on the blue like that. And now my table flipped for me, very simple and easy. So if I press Ctrl and flip it on the red axis like that, you see what happened? Exactly. Now we have another copy in here. So don't worry about this part of my job. I can delete one of them. So I can move it and fix it to this point. Very simple and easy. And my model down for me at the second. If you want to add more details, for example, another face for your job, you can draw your rectangle and you can use the offset tool, re-offset your job. I don't know why it's not working. So I'm going to click on the offset, move it a little bit to the upside, offset, re-offset it about 0.02, click on the eraser, erase your extra lines, very simple and easy, and re-extrude it about 2 centimeters, make a group and move it a little bit to the downside. So this is our table, very simple and easy, we created with the flip option. If you like this content and tutorial, and if it's useful for you, please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, thanks for your time, and goodbye.